So guys, it's Tibbs again, and this is what I ended up getting as far as granite at that place. I'm going to pour some water over it. Sorry for the couch. It's got to go to the dump. I haven't had time to take it yet. Has dust on it, and water just brings out the uh-oh, cat fight going on. But anyways, you can see how beautiful some of this stuff is. Nice blue iridescent colors, black, and all the different colors laid out in a certain pattern for a mosaic. Really beautiful stuff. So let me show you what I'm going to put them on. Okay, this is I believe a 1934 Singer, and it's a shame that people I don't know, they don't sell very well, and they really are beautiful cabinets. This mechanism works. All it needs is the belt, but it's got the beautiful quarter sawn oak. So basically, top's going to come off, or the sewing machine's going to come off. I'm going to replace it with a top and use it, put a piece of plywood down, adhere the mosaic of granite down, and then put a grout in between with a border going around it, probably with quarter sawn oak. So there's that one, and then there's this one here, which is, this one's a domestic. Beautiful grain on that wood also. It's got the let me show you. Yeah, it goes up like that and comes down. There's no sewing machine in this one, just the cover. But this one also, the mechanics. And the drawers all work nice. I don't know if I'm going to take those out, use them for something else, and put shelves on the side, or just adhere the new top to it. But these are the two sewing machines, or the sewing machine bases, that I'm going to use for the granite tops. So when we get to that part with the finished product, I will show you some processes in between. I don't really care for that black one that's not staying shiny. It hasn't been polished too well. It's still kind of rough, so that might be a nice outdoor piece. Maybe break it up and put it in a flower bed or something. But I'll let you know, show you as I go later.